change the world.
Work quickly. Keep the tools unlocked. Work whenever.
Know when to work alone and when to work together.
This togetherness of working has brought us to the 20th year of the institution.
20. Before 20, the school started with Montessori section and then to and today Sri Kavartara schools doesn't require any introduction. As said,
Every year, the session begins with investiture ceremony, which helps to inculcate leadership quality in tomorrow's citizen. It also helps in holding in them responsibilities.
School is equipped with SETC sections which help students to set their aim for IIT, NIT and other competitive exams.
School also provides facility for NTSC classes.
Really, कुछ ज्यादा कर दिखाने की चाह ने SETC कॉन्सेप्ट की राह दिखाई, which is running successfully.
हाँ, ये बात तो सही है। तभी तो हमारे यहाँ के बच्चों ने हर क्षेत्र में झंडे गाड़े हैं और इतना ही नहीं, पिछले कई सालों से बोर्ड के डिस्ट्रिक्ट टॉपर भी we are the only one.
and at times educational trips have also been organized.
Also, the amazing mentor and mentee session, जहाँ सीनियर क्लास के बच्चे अपने जूनियर्स को आगे बढ़ने में हेल्प करते हैं. Also, we are well facilitated with Montessori lab, which helps to foster basic life skills in students.
And don't you know, our blooming Kavartarais are moving towards aeronautics through aeromodeling and robotics. And we have the language lab, which helps all of us with speaking and listening skills.
How can I forget Friday?
Friday? What's so special?
अरे भूल गए, all inter-house activities are into its full swing on Friday. Friday को तो अपना zeal and enthusiasm देखते ही बनता है.
These activities give students a platform for real life skills, cultural events, and how can I forget sports? I think we have mastered many of the sports.
20 साल का यह सफर आसान तो नहीं था, लेकिन हमेशा ही कुछ कर गुजरने की चाह में हम आगे बढ़ते रहे.
True enough, and today, after 20 years, we are at the threshold of success, where Sri Kavartara doesn't require any introduction.
We salute to all those mentors who work heart and soul to bring the school to this level. It's a long success saga of Sri Kavartara Public Higher Secondary School, Mandleshwar.
Nothing great will be possible without great men, and men are great if they are determined to do so. It has been another fabulous year at SKTPS, and we have seen the school continue to grow and prosper across a number of areas. Our principal, Mr. Yogesh Toshi, is a true leader who gives fatherly confidence. His care, guidance and support proves that he is a great leader. Sir, we are really blessed to have a principal like you with a thankful heart. We invite from the depth of our heart our prestigious principal sir to highlight the year 2017-18 regarding the achievements of the school.
Good evening, one all. Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. Honorable Brigadier Mr. Kishore Malhotra, SM, Shore Medalist, respected Chairman Mr. Pramod Chanjer, dignified Chairperson Mrs. Jyoti Chanjer, Chief Executive Officer Mr. Panjal Chanjer, Academic Coordinator Sri Kavartara Primary School Education Wing Mrs. Shifa Chanjer, Principal Sri Kavartara Group of Colleges Dr. H.K. Misra, Director Academics Mr. M. Srinivas Rao, Principal Mr. Durgesh Sonar, Global Concept Karai, Headmistress Mrs. Jyoti Vyas, Democratic Pillar, Print and Electronic Media, invited dignitaries, honorable parents and enthusiastic Kavartara team, scintillating star of Sri Kavartara, dear children. Education is one of the most important way of laying the foundation of the sustainable development. The world is changing rapidly. Since the change is inevitable, the students are to be prepared for the change to accept, adopt, and be the part of another change, and gradually be the change manager. The 21st century world needs a different kind of youth to meet the future challenges and different skills. The present government is also working upon the slogan of Kaushal India, Kushal India. Hence, the education is also taking the shape of skill education. The 21st century skills which will take the world into the positive progressive direction are collaboration and teamwork, creativity and imagination, critical thinking and problem solving. That needs to be equipped with flexibility and adaptability, global awareness, information literacy and leadership. That cannot be considered completed and competent without oral and written communication skills, with social responsibility and technology literacy. The school, Sri Kavartara Public Higher Secondary School, Mandleshwar, is ready to fly on the soldier of these skills, where the students are to be prepared to lead the world after 2 decades. The school is a platform where one seeks opportunity to enjoy the facility, to meet the challenges, to solve the problems encompassed in present world, and to be aware with the consequences if the issue is not entertained properly. Sri Kavartara Public Higher Secondary School, Mandleshwar, is always at the mission of the relevant education to brighten face of Nimar region, through which the entire globe will illuminate. The school in its 20th year. First of all, I just extend my wishes to all the parents and students and Kavartara team and Honorable Chairperson and Chairman that the school has completed 20th successful years. So my heartfelt wish to all of you and greetings and congratulations to entire Kavartara team. The school in its 20th years as complete young, energetic youth is marching on the path of unexceptional success that will ensure the fate of the area. It's not only working in the area of academics, but working in the area of culture of thinking. They are taught how to think, not what to think. We ignite the young mind to understand the world as it is and enable them to think how to better it. Dear parents, the school of yours is working ahead to bring forth the better result. Here I am just reading the report of the last year's academic results. Class 12, the students of this school have secured the best position in the district area. We have 8 students more than 90%, with the highest 93.4% Purvi Jain in commerce stream, 92.8% Rochak Patidar in science stream, and the same score is scored by Ms. Pragya Agrawal in commerce stream, where we have in biology 90% the highest score as a school topper. The result and the academic excellence is not ending at that particular point. We have 32 students more than 80% and 57 students more than 70%. Dear parents, सबसे गौरवशाली बात यह है कि साइंस स्ट्रीम में सभी बच्चे फर्स्ट क्लास पास हुए हैं, मोर देन 60%. ये एक बड़े ही सम्मान और गौरव की बात है. आपके इस विद्यालय में The school is not only taking care of the education of their students in their school and get the better results, even they think that how they can get better job in their future life, because the school education is a foundation for the further career. Dear parents, if we see the complete competitive record, this year 12 students are selected through CPT examination for the CA course. At the same time, we have 9 students selected in NEET examination. ये वो एग्जामिनेशन है जिससे मेडिकल जॉब्स यानी डॉक्टर्स की पढ़ाई शुरू होती है. That is what MBBS they are going to do from various medical colleges. We have 8 students selected in JEE Mains, and much more we have in the area of academics. School is providing opportunity for the students to be competent and competitive here in the school campus by arranging NSO, IO and IMO. all ये एग्जामिनेशन जो वेरियस ओलंपियाड्स वेरियस एजेंसी के द्वारा ऑर्गेनाइज किए जाते हैं, इनमें भी बच्चों ने पहले और दूसरे लेवल पर अपना स्थान सुनिश्चित किया है, जहां पर इन बच्चों को नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल लेवल ग्रेड्स मिली हैं. Besides that, here I want to mention with all due respect, where the parents are requested to listen, the school has initiated before 7 years with a course that is known as advanced course, a visionary course that has started before 5 to 6 years. Now it is giving the complete result. Dear parents, school is providing education to the students at their level. If they are having good level, they are having their bright mind to do something else. So the school is providing the better education for them, and for which advanced courses continuing here in our school. This year, one of our students, after 10, he has been selected in renowned coaching class with 85% of scholarship. That means he is paying only 15,000 rupees for the entire course, whereas the fees is more than 1 lakh rupees. So dear parents, it's not the achievement only. If I see the students, those who are studying in various coaching classes or various colleges, we get a kind of information that the students of Shri Kavartara are better than entire group of students they are within. One more thing that I want to inform here, the school is associated with a kind of assessment system which is internationally known and renowned one, that is known as ASSET system, which assess the students and bring forth the complete information of the students. Principals and management are always scared of taking such kind of services in their school, because